Your discipline builds your future. Welcome to Clartify.
Every day your mind becomes a storm. Faster thoughts, louder worries, heavier expectations. You wake up feeling behind, you move through your day on autopilot, and at night your mind continues running long after your body is tired. The noise never stops. You're alive, but not really here. Mindful meditation is the moment where the storm slows down and you finally meet yourself again. When you close your eyes and take a single breath, something almost invisible begins. The shift from being controlled to being aware. Your breath becomes your anchor, your body becomes your home, and your mind stops dragging you into the past or pushing you into the future. For the first time in a very long time, you feel the present, not as an idea, but as a place. This is where meditation begins, not in silence, but in noticing. You start to see the truth. Life didn't become harder. Your mind became noisier. Every notification, every expectation, every unfinished task pulls a piece of your attention until nothing feels whole anymore. But when you inhale slowly and feel the air move through your chest, the world inside you pauses. You notice your heartbeat, the tension in your shoulders, the speed of your thoughts. You realize that awareness itself is healing. You cannot calm what you cannot see. Then comes the moment that changes everything. You realize most of your suffering comes from thoughts that are not real, memories that no longer exist, fears of things that haven't happened, stories you inherited from wounds, disappointments, and past versions of yourself. Meditation doesn't erase these stories. It exposes them to the light. As you continue breathing, you notice the distance between you and your thoughts. Thoughts come, thoughts go, and you remain. Like clouds passing in a wide sky, they move, sometimes slow, sometimes fast, yet none of them define the sky itself. You begin to understand. Your mind produces thoughts, but you are not your thoughts. You are the awareness behind them. Here's the cinematic twist, the moment people rarely realize until they meditate deeply. Your mind is not attacking you. It is trying to protect an outdated version of you. Every fear is an old survival instinct. Every worry is a leftover echo from a past experience. Every self-criticism is a voice learned long before you had the power to challenge it. Your mind isn't your enemy. It just doesn't know you've grown. And when you sit in meditation, breathing deeply, you give your mind the permission it never had, the permission to update itself. Slowly, your reactions change. You stop exploding at small things. You stop drowning in stress. You stop believing every thought that appears. Meditation creates a space between the moment something happens and the moment you respond. Inside that space, your peace lives. You begin noticing the little things that modern life steals from you. The warmth of sunlight on your skin, the rhythm of your steps as you walk, the taste of your food when you're not distracted, the feeling of your heartbeat when you slow down enough to hear it. Meditation teaches you to return to these moments, the moments that make life feel real. As you practice more, your life changes in ways you didn't expect. You become less reactive, more intentional, more grounded. Stress doesn't disappear, but it stops owning you. Anxiety doesn't vanish, but it stops running the narrative. The past loses its grip. The future loses its threat. You begin to understand that peace isn't something you search for, it's something you create through awareness. Every breath becomes a small act of self-respect. Every moment of presence becomes a doorway to clarity. The more you return to the breath, the more your life returns to balance. Eventually, meditation leaves the cushion. It becomes part of how you live. You speak with presence instead of rushing your thoughts. You listen with intention instead of planning your reply. You walk slowly enough to feel the world. You choose your reactions instead of surrendering to them. Bit by bit, your mind becomes quieter. Your emotions become softer. Your decisions become clearer. And your life becomes something you actually experience, not something you merely survive. This is the real purpose of mindful meditation, not to escape your life, but to return to it. Not to silence your mind, but to hear it without fear. not to create a new version of yourself, but to uncover the one buried beneath noise, pressure, and time. If you're ready to reconnect with your mind, reclaim your presence, and rebuild a life filled with clarity instead of chaos, subscribe now and let each breath guide you into the person you were always meant to meet.
Thank you for watching. If you're ready to upgrade your mind and build unshakable discipline, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. More powerful lessons are coming. Stay disciplined, stay clarified.